Hi, welcome to Oils with Lynn. I'm so glad you're here with us. This oil reminds me that taking care of ourselves can help take care of others because pink pepper brings healing on both sides of the bottle. Now, you might have heard pink pepper called the fox pepper or fake pepper because it's not spicy like black pepper. But don't let that fool you. This oil's anything but weak. It's amazing for supporting metabolism, immunity, and digestion. And it has some beautiful uses for women's wellness that I can't wait to share with you. Let's start with one of my absolute favorite ways to use pink pepper. It's the Breast Detox Blend. So every quarter, I recommend that you do this as part of your self-care routine. It helps support lymphatic movement and healthy breast tissue, which is so important for women's wellness. So here's how you're going to make it. In a 10 milliliter roller bottle, you're going to add 15 drops of pink pepper, 15 drops of frankincense, and 15 drops of grapefruit essential oil. Then fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil and shake it up. Apply this twice daily over the breast area for 30 days. It's simple, and it's one of the most empowering self-care practices you can do for yourself. Supporting healthy breast tissue and this natural detox that detox your pathways helps your body's natural defenses stay strong, gently flushing out buildup and keeping your lymphatic system free-flowing. Think of it as a loving ritual that helps your body stay clean, clear, and resilient over time. Pink pepper is steam distilled from the peppercorn and sourced through doTERRA's co-impact sourcing in Kenya. That means every drop is not only pure and potent, it's also creating sustainable income for women and families in developing countries. I'll share a powerful story about that in a minute. First, let me share some of the top benefits and everyday uses. Pink pepper is an incredible companion oil. It enhances the power of other oils and supports so many areas of health. Here are some of the top ways to use it. First, candida or lymphatic congestion. Pair pink pepper with frankincense. Take it in a capsule or you can apply it topically. Digestive support. For Crohn's, nausea, bloating, or poor appetite, apply over your stomach, and you can also take it internally. Circulation. Apply to areas of poor circulation or take internally to support healthy blood flow. Emotional wellness. Blend pink pepper with green mandarin, lavender, or Roman chamomile for feelings of calm and confidence. Diffuse or apply over the heart. Next, pain med addiction. Combine pink pepper, copaiba, and black pepper in a veggie capsule to support your body while easing the transition towards more natural forms of relief. Energy and focus. Feeling tired or foggy? Diffuse pink pepper or inhale from your hands and then apply to your chest and the bottoms of your feet for a natural lift. Blood sugar and cholesterol. Take it in a capsule with grapefruit and black pepper for metabolic support. Okay, so now we're going to get back to that story from Kenya. One of the things I love most about essential oils is that it helps people on both sides of the bottle. At convention, I learned about a woman in Kenya who helps harvest pink pepper. She's a young mother of 5, and after her husband passed away, she was struggling to feed her children. She made rope from plants to sell on the streets, but often the men she encountered, they didn't want to buy her rope. They wanted her body. And she felt trapped and desperate until one day a grower invited her to join the team harvesting pink pepper. In the video they shared, she expressed such deep gratitude. Finally, she had a safe, dignified way to support her family. Watching her story was so emotional and it actually brought me to tears. So every time you use pink pepper, you're not only supporting your health, you're empowering women like her to build a better life. That's one more reason why I love doTERRA's essential oils. They bring healing and hope on both sides of the bottle. So whether you're rolling on your breast detoxification blend, diffusing for energy, or adding it to your wellness routine, you're making a difference every single time. If this video inspired you in any way, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss any more natural wellness tips, and share it with someone who could really use a little pink pepper power in their life. We'll see you next time.